Hey, so can I pause my Helium 10 subscription? The answer is yes. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how it's done and how it all works. In the description, also, you of course have the Helium 10 best discounts and a free trial and a playlist with over 200 Helium 10 tutorials that show you how to use it. By the way, my name is Vova Evan. Great to meet you, seller on Amazon and a user of Helium 10. So maybe you want to pause your subscription because you're going on vacation or you have any other reasons for that. So here's what Helium 10 has to say. Can I pause my subscription? Helium 10 allows you to place your account on hold for 1, 3, or 6 months at a time while you are on holiday or taking a break from selling. If you already have paused your subscription and you want to reactivate it, jump ahead to reactivate your subscription. So basically, let's see how it works. If you want to pause it, okay, you go to your account. On the right upper side, you're going to have this little button here with the Helium 10 logo. Click on plans and billing. And then on this page, let's say you're on the elite, you click on cancel. Of course, you can downgrade as well. But in order to pause, you have to click on cancel. You're going to have this little widget appearing like, are you sure you want to go? You click continue to cancel. It takes you here. You get some feedback. We're sorry to see your go. And then you choose whatever option you choose. And then the second page is called details. After the feedback, you kind of acknowledge all these things that happen to you if you cancel your subscription. But then they're going to give you the option to pause your subscription on the next kind of page. And here you put it on hold for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. You choose the right one for you. You pause your subscription. And then it says if you successfully pause your subscription, you will see a confirmation message. Note, upon the completion of the subscription pause process, the pause will take effect at the end of the current billing cycle. So keep that in mind. If you want to reactivate a pause subscription, okay, if you want to start up your account again before the time you are scheduled to return, follow the steps below. Let's say you got back from your vacation or just like feeling that you want to get back. What you do is from the Helium 10 main dashboard, click on the member profile icon at the top right corner, what we did before. Again, you go to plans and billing, and then there's going to be the cancel pause. And there's going to be, if your subscription is still active and hasn't paused yet, you can select cancel pause and the previously scheduled pause in your subscription will no longer happen. But if your subscription has entered the inactive pause period, you will need to select reactivate to make your subscription active again. You click on reactivate. And here's another note. If the subscription has already entered the pause state and you would like to cancel your subscription, you must contact Helium 10 support. Okay, so in this case, if you're on a pause and you want to cancel, talk to Helium 10 support. They're going to help you. So I'm reminding you that best Helium 10 discounts and free trial are in the description, along with the Helium 10 playlist of tutorials, 200 plus tutorials. It's also going to appear here on the screen. So you can click on the end screen here to watch the tutorials. Again, if you want to pause the subscription, that's how you do it. Again, you quickly go to basically your page, plans and billing. You go through all the parts there and you click on the pause and pause your subscription. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.